Even though SOLIDWORKS provides a wide range of materials, it does not contain all existing materials. Therefore, we need to create our own material sometimes, and in this video I will show you how to do that. To create a new material, I first need to create a new category by right-clicking Custom Materials. Then I can create a new material by right-clicking that category. First off, make sure that you use the right units. Mine is set to megapascals by default, and this is what I want to use for this material. Then I'll give my material a proper name. I will create a S355JR material, so I'll name it that. Since the strength of this material is dependent on the thickness, I'll add that this is for nominal thickness less than or equal to 60 mm in the description. To make sure I don't get any unwanted data from the default material, I'll highlight all fields and click delete on my keyboard. And as you can see, these properties are color graded, and as long as I apply or edit the material inside the simulation, they will be. And the grading will be dependent on the study type that I'm using. So red means that the value must be defined for this type of study. Blue means that it could be needed depending on what kind of boundary conditions I have. For example, if I would use the temperature load, I would need to include thermal properties. Black means that it's not needed for this type of study. When adding the properties, if I have a high value like the elastic modulus, which is 210,000 megapascals, I can simplify the writing of this by writing 2.1 E5. In this case, I will just apply the red properties. So when I'm done defining the Poisson ratio, density, and yield strength as well, I can click Save and apply the material.